This was a DIY mini watercolor sketchbook. This was individual watercolor paper, and then binind ko lang siya para makompile. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's start with this emotionless meh. Like she's saying meh. This one was my first watercolor na piece na maliit. So the next one is, you're of course familiar with Rose, with the Blackpink, pero hindi ko pa achieve talaga yung mga portrait before. Kahit ngayon, nahihirapan ako sa face. That one is Sulgi, pero hindi siya masyadong kamukha. Ito nung nag-watercolor ako, this was 2018 also. After I graduated, charing. I started again to do traditional. Ayan, so nag-start ulit akong, I don't know, naghahanap ako ng parang art style, ganyan. And also, I wanted to explore different kind of medium. I wanted to explore. This one, yung sa top, si Sulgi, medyo konti naman, diba? Medyo kamukha. Slight. Agree naman kayo. Okay. The next one is, mapapansin nyo sa mga works is mostly female. Yung watercolor skills ko dito parang hindi pa ganun pa. Hindi ako magaling mag-watercolor. Just try it. You can always see sa mga works ko is plants and flowers. I really love adding those kind of elements. Kasi, for example, I draw and then flat yung likod. It would look flat, totally flat. Ayan, and then minsan pag may nakikita akong face sa Instagram or sa Pinterest, I just drew them. Those also. Ayan, may mga leaves na naman. May pa-leaves tayo dyan sa gilid. I drew again Sulgi. I so love Sulgi from Red Velvet. She's my favorite member since then pa talaga, like since their debut. Ayan, may dumi pa. Sorry naman po. Ayan, so tawag dyan? Color swatches pa tawag dyan. I tried also that. I forgot what is the photo reference of this one, but I think it's a movie. She kisses him goodbye. Diba? Ayan. Ito medyo yung sa left, medyo super light pa ako dyan. And then the second one, ito medyo nag-pop na yung colors. I'm still exploring at this stage style. And then this is my most favorite. Minsan nice rin na mag-explore ng different medium. Those time, hindi pa talaga solid yung art style ko. And then I'm not doing animation pa dito. Masarili kong animation. I was still exploring. I was taking my time. Minsan, we have to give ourselves some time to think what do you really want to do. This one, I have it recorded. You can watch it. This is my first ever upload watercolor art process. Please watch it, guys. Yeah, I tried again. Color swatches. Okay, next page. This one yung mga later part na. I just tried portraits pero hindi pa ganun. Parang newbie talaga. Super newbie pa ako sa watercolor. Even now. Now I don't do watercolor anymore. I'm just focusing on my animation and digital arts. But this was a great experience though. And of course this one, ina-addan ko na siya ng background. Also, another weakness of mine is background. Okay, this one is like yung sa first portrait, yung meh na expression. That's on the same timeline. Ito, sad ba ako nun? Basta, ba't parang mga sad yung mga artworks ko, no? Pero, oh, that's Jenny. Hindi niya lang masyadong kamukha kasi practicing pa lang ako. Nag-practice pa lang ako. Pero that's Jenny from Solo. Yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching this episode of my art vlog. I hope you liked it, and comment down below if you want more of this, and let me know your thoughts. Thank you again for watching. Let's grow together every day. Bye!